So in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Copilot and link it to VS Code. If you're using a different editor, code editor, it should be the same process. But for this video, I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code. So we're going ahead to, you can just go ahead to Copilot settings. But I want us to go through the education page so we can see it clearly. So come to billing and licensing, scroll up a bit to education benefit. So there we have it. The application has been approved some days ago. If you want to see the rest of the benefit or the full benefits, you click here. You can also click here to find it. But for this case, we want to activate Copilot. So we are going here. So get access to GitHub Copilot. So there are a lot of settings here, but there is a particular one I am looking for. You can always change this in setting. So much of it is enabled already. So yes, this one is enabled already. So it says Copilot chat in IDE because we need to use it in VS Code. So you come down here and save to complete setup, and that's it. So you're going to install the GitHub Copilot extension and VS Code and every other thing you need. So I have VS Code installed already, so I'm just going to open it and complete the rest of the setup. It's right here. I'm going to close this. Now go to extensions. I have 0 extension installed. I'm just starting this environment. I'll look for GitHub Copilot. So you need to look for a verified one. So you can see this sign here. It says it's verified. So you're going to open it and then install. Trust Workspace and install. So we'll let it work. When it's done, you'll see the Copilot icon up here. And it's going to come on this side as well. Okay, so Copilot is installed already. I'm going to close VS Code and open it again. Okay, so now that we've installed Copilot, so just come down here and see sign out. So we're signed out and we need to sign in. So I'll click sign in here. Continue with GitHub. So I'll just authorize sign in here. Authorize Visual Studio Code. Here we are back in VS Code and Copilot is active. This is not a video where I'll show you how to use Copilot, but you can always learn how to use it. You can see some interesting things here. If you are very current, you know what I'm talking about. Can you tell me what this is? I'll see you in the next video.